Do you know that 70% of sleek paint on the market don't last more than 1 year before cracking, fading, or losing shine? Yes, the difference isn't magic. It is the grade of sleek paint you produce. And today, I will show you the three grades of sleek paint and how to know the differences. And I will even review 4 liter standard sleek formula you can start with today. So stay with me because at the end, I will show you the number one mistake manufacturers make with sleek paint and how to avoid it forever. You understand? So, but first of all, comment below, do you prefer sleek or satin or matte finishing in the comment section? Let me know your thoughts. So now, there are three grades of sleek paint that we're going to cover today. The first is standard sleek paint, which is your vinyl acrylic binder, and it is washable but not very durable. It is best for landlords or budget projects. You understand what I mean? And the second is premium sleek. This is your pure acrylic or high grade vinyl blender or binder, rich shine, smooth and more durable, and this product is perfect for middle class homes and offices. And then we have the third, which is your washable high shine sleek, which is your pure acrylic plus your texanol, and it is durable and it is enhancing, almost like satin. You understand? It's luxury finish for corporate or high end client. You understand? So here is the big insight. Your binder determines your grade. Yes, cheap binder equals to cheap sleek paint. Pure acrylic equals to premium sleek paint. You understand? So I know most of us at times, we usually misunderstand the importance of the types of binder we use in our paint production. You understand? So when you hear the word pure acrylic, you simply know that that particular paint is more durable because of the type of acrylic that is being used to produce that particular paint. You understand? And which I just mentioned, we have three grades of sleek paint. We have the standard sleek paint, we have the premium sleek paint, and then we have the high-end washable sleek paint. Like I said, just like your satin paint. And for the correction, please, sleek paint is not satin paint. Please take note. From this explanation, you're supposed to know there are differences. But wait, before I show you the 4 liters formula, let me warn you. Most beginners add the wrong thickener at the wrong stage and it destroys the sleek effect. I will explain why in just few minutes. So now, let's look at the 4 liters of standard sleek paint formulation, and this is a budget friendly formula that gives decent shine, and of course it is washable. So this is your 4 liter standard sleek paint formulation. Listen closely. Number 1, vinyl acrylic binder, 1.2 kg, and of course your titanium dioxide, 1.2 kg as well, and your tack fine graded powder, 0.6 kg, and of course your HEC thickener, 10 gram, and of course you have to dissolve this thickener. And we have the haze, which is the liquid thickener. We're going to be using 5 gram. This particular thickener is very important you have it. And of course we have our carbon PT, 10 gram. We have our wetting agent, 5 gram, and we have our defoamer, 5 gram. Of course, our colicent agent, which is our texanol, 20 gram. And we have our propylene glycol, which is 5 gram. Then we have our biocide, which is our preservative, our antifungal, 5 gram. Then water, very important, 1 liter. That's to top up for the 4 liters formulation. You understand? So if you go through this chemical that I just listed, you will see that it is rightfully proportional. The water is measured well, The acrylic is measured well. The filler, which is your titanium dioxide, is measured well because we are not using calcium carbonate, and this is not satin paint. You understand? Satin is more glossier than sleek paint. You see some customers, they tell you, I don't want this glossy paint, I want something in between, not flat, which is matte, and not so super glossy, which is satin, but I want something slickable. This is the paint you give to that customer. And I just revealed the 4 liters formulation on how you can produce this paint, and of course start immediately. For some of us that have been dying to have this particular formulation, you have it now at your beck and call, so make use of it wisely. And for those of us that want to be producing 20 liters, just multiply these chemicals by 4 and you have your 20 liters formulation. I hope this was useful. Now let's move over to the step-by-step production process. One is the water phase. Add your 5 ml water and add your dispenser, your wetting agent, your defoamer, and stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you move over to your pigment dispenser. Then you add your titanium dioxide and your talc powder gradually, and you mix till it's smooth. The third, you add your binder, and then you mix very well. You add your glycol plus your texanol, and then you stir. You dissolve your nitrosol, and then you add, and then you stir. After that, you add your haze, and of course you stir. You add your preservative, and then you add your ammonia, and then you keep stirring to make sure it is perfect. This result will be a standard sleek paint with medium shine, washable finishing, and budget value. You understand? Now don't leave yet, because standard sleek is just the entry point. In 2 minutes I will show you how to upgrade this into a premium sleek that customers will pay double for to purchase from you. I remember my first sleek paint badge years ago. It looked good at first, but within 3 months it cracked and faded. Customer complained and I almost gave up. Like seriously, I know most of you encounter this situation. But once I discovered the right formula and the binder system, everything changed. Before, my paint used to be weak paint, no cells, frustration, and now my formulation is premium sleek paint that leads to steady contracts and financial freedom. And today, over 1,000 of my students across Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, India, and other countries now are producing luxury sleek paint with pride. That's the power of knowledge. And in just a moment, I will show you how to scale this formula into premium and high shine sleek paint using my advanced system. So here's what you should do next. 1, subscribe so you don't miss my next free training. Secondly, drop a comment below which grade of sleek paint do you want to master first. The standard, premium, which I just released to you now, or the luxury. And the third, grab our Premium Sleek Master ebook. It is a complete guide with standard sleek budget formula. 2, Premium Sleek, which is durable, middle market formula. And the third is High Shine Luxury Sleek, which is corporate client. And of course, pricing strategy and business insight that is going to guide you through all those process. The link is going to be in description below. And to all my Glina students and family, thank you for trusting me. And remember, paint is not just color, it is power. Until we meet again, bye for now. I love you all.